Hi. Today we're going to be doing a plan with me in my creative journal from the 18th to the 24th. So let's get these off the discs and start planning. Apologies now if I sound a bit croaky or a bit nasally, phlegmy. I've caught some bug again. We're having a bit of a cold snap here in Queensland. It's not getting any. Our winters are normally quite mild, but this one seems to be a winter of old, and it's been windy and cold and yuck and hasn't gotten above 20 degrees for a few days, and I think I've just caught a bug from somewhere, and we've got a lot of bugs going around, as you can imagine, so apparently the dreaded COVID is getting worse again. So yeah, anyway, creative journal, I am using Wild Journey. It is for the big, but you can use it in, and sorry, my dog Milo is whinging in the background for me to pay him attention, so I'm just ignoring him or trying to. Yes, but you can use this for any book. Just because it says big doesn't mean that you have to use it in a big. So let's get planning, and the first thing I want to do is try and find a long box to go down here because I like to put my gratitude in it. If I can't, then I will get a box like this and some decoration or something, can pop it there. So let's see if we've got any long boxes. Just one of those. I don't really want a checklist. Okay, and this is also made for the teacher planner too, so it is a bit of a different sizing as such, but I don't really care, and I'm not that. Don't really care if it goes over on the Monday either. That's neither here nor there with me. And then I'm going to pop down this one that says, "Be someone's reason to smile today." I like that one. Okay, so let us grab my paper, and I'm going to pop a few things on there that I like. And yeah, go from there. I think they're doing my best. Is good. And I like that. Maybe to layer with it. Work hard, be kind. I like that as well. And then we could always layer that with, I don't really want to bring gold in. Layer it with this one, I suppose. Okay, so being my creative journal, I pop a few boxes in to write in. I write all over the place. I don't care where I write in my journal. I'll write in the box, outside the box, around the box. So yeah, I'm just picking out a few things to pop in, to pop the basis of it down, and then I'll probably do some decorating around it. Let's do this one. Take note. Maybe a lighter colour. I'm really just getting the boxes down for the moment. Faculty meeting. I'm going to use that, am I? I'm going to flip through this way. Let's have a look. I like the dots and that. That usually fills in the pages and stuff for me, or fills in the gaps. Some of these would be nice too. Okay, let's get these down, and then we can look then at putting in some more decoration bits. So I think on this page I'm going to pop, actually let's pop that one down here first. And I'm going to pop that one over the top. And then I'm going to take note and pop that up here, just to give a bit of layering to it. This one I'm going to pop down here, and we'll do the same. We'll layer this one over the top here, and the take note can go down. Actually, let's use this one instead, because that was nearly the same colour, so I don't really like the same colour. I'll put that one there like that. beautiful. So I've still got those two. So what we can do is go and get, I like to have a box on each day too, and that way I can write in there something of importance that happened that day or something like that. So what I might do with this one is take this bluey thing, put that there, and then pop that there. See what I'm doing? I'm doing one colour on one page, one colour on another page, but we'll mix it up in a minute. And my dogs are in here playing. Put that there like that. There. Okay. Let us then I'm going to pop in. I need my little picker. If I pop in there, I'm going to pop in this just to bring this colour over on this page. Oh, get it not straight, but not with a thing on it. And there I'm going to pop in this colour. Okay, liking that. Let's see if we can find a box for Tuesday. Don't have to be a big box. Let's see if we've got little ones. I'm sure we do. Here we go. Let's bring this colour in here. And I'm going to pop that. Actually, I wanted it for Tuesday, didn't I? Let's actually just take that and pop it there. Pop something else in there. Let's do a little box over here. We might do the green. We'll do the same thing. Pop it up there. Okay, so I've got box, 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 box. Sort of need something for Friday. Oh, sorry, boys are going off. Something's out there. Okay. There. I don't really want to use that one because it's still big. Big. I don't want to use a checklist because it's not this is my catch-all, so checklist is no. What about and I don't really need a don't forget. Can you not do that, please? I know, it's terrible. I'm going to use one of these, I think. And I'm going to pop that on Friday, there like that, but it'll go over on the Thursday, but that's fine. Okay, now let us fill in some of the blanks with some of these wonderful things. Let's do a colour dot. I love it when a sticker book has these type of things in there and you can just fill in all the spaces. It just, I don't know, I just love it. Now he's jumping up on my chair. Dude, I will come and I will give you whatever you want in a minute, okay? You need to just wait a second for Mummy. I know, it's terrible being a puppy. Why don't we pop that one there too? Okay, I think that's about it. I'll write in there, or I might pop another box in there later on and all sorts of stuff like that, but I'm quite happy with that. It gives me lots of space to write. Yeah, so I think that's it. That might be my fastest video yet, I think. Okay, so if you're happy with this video, if you like what I've done, can you please give me a thumbs up? Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for hanging out with me.